Please stand if you're able for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Please be seated.
Good morning, Bulldogs. My name is Jacob Nienswicki. Today is Friday, October 11th, and it is an A-Day. We continue with the Freedom Challenge. There are black and gold points to be had, and as well as prizes for the top answers. Issue number 5 is displayed on the screen now. To participate, scan the QR code on the screen, or it can also be found on the bulletin board outside the cafeteria. You have until Thursday to submit your response. Weekly results will be displayed on the bulletin board near the main entrance. Gloria sat down with the girls' soccer team for this Captain's Crunch segment.
Hi, my name is Gloria Vizzadello, and I'm here with the girls' varsity soccer team, and I'm here to ask them what's your name, number, and position.
My name is Cassidy Hartman. I'm number 19, and I play holding mid.
My name is Clara Mayer. I'm number 11, and I play center back.
I'm Charlotte Barnes. I'm number 25, and I play right back.
I'm Gianna Zera. I'm number 27, and I play left back.
I'm Chloe Levecki. I'm number 0, and I'm the goalkeeper.
What is your favorite memory?
My favorite memory is our team trip to Wildwood.
Mine is Halloween practice, my freshman year.
Mine's beating Brick Memorial and PKs my freshman year.
My favorite memory was senior night.
Mine was beating Steiner for the first time in 3 years.
What's your favorite cereal?
Reese's Puffs.
Bran Flakes.
Cheerios.
Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Frosted Flakes.
Thank you guys so much, and we'll send it back to the studio.
It's October, which means spooky season is here. Juliet joins us to tell us about an unsolved case.
Hi, my name is Juliet Saya, and today I will be talking about a cold case that to this day is still unsolved, the Vallisca axe murders. In Vallisca, Iowa, during one night, 8 people were killed soundly in their sleep, unnoticed until the next morning. On June 10th, 1912, the Moore family of 6, along with their 2 guests, Lena and Ina Stillinger, who were daughters to Sarah and Joseph Stillinger, were found dead in the Moore's backyard by their neighbors. The night of the killings, the family had spent the evening at their local church for a program until 10 that night. They were assumed to be killed around or after midnight, drugged to be kept from waking up. The town marshal, Henry Horton, claimed that when the victims were found, they had severe head wounds that were presumed to be from an axe. This is considering a bloody axe was leaning against a wall alongside a 4-pound piece of bacon.
He was a brilliant man. He would never have done anything like that.
People have only pointed fingers at who they believe to be the murderer, leaving this case unclosed. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned something new today.
I hope I get some sleep tonight after that. Here's Eric with a little on cornhole.
Hello, I'm Eric, and I'm going to talk to you about the history of cornhole. Cornhole's history doesn't have an exact origin of when or how it started, but the first design board of cornhole happened in 1883. The game was called parlor quoits. It played like a modern cornhole, but the boards have a square hole instead of the hole being a circle. The person who came up with the idea, Heiliger de Wind, sold the rights of the game to a Massachusetts toy manufacturer which marketed under the name Fababaga. This version of the game has 2 different sized holes that are worth different points, and gain 1 extra large bag per round. If scored in the hole, it's worth double the points. In 1974, an article was published by Popular Mechanics about a game called Beanbag Bullseye. The board is similar to a modern cornhole board, but with a different width and different centered hole. In Chicago, a game similar to Beanbag Bullseye was referred to as bags. Over time, the popularity of cornhole started to grow. The American Cornhole Association was established in 2005. In 2015, the American Cornhole League was established, which helped cornhole become competitive.
What keeps me going in the game of cornhole? As much as the will to win, the will not to lose.
The different versions of cornhole is what led to the version of cornhole we know today. That was the history of cornhole. Now back to Jacob.
And now it's time for the world-famous movie mystery.
A lot of loyalty for a hired gun!
Or perhaps he's wondering why someone would shoot a man before throwing him out of a plane.
At least you can talk! Who are you?
It doesn't matter who we are. What matters is our plan. No one cared who I was till I put on the mask.
If I pull that off, will you die?
It would be extremely painful.
You're a big guy.
For you.
Last week's movie mystery was Monty Python and the Holy Grail.
What a strange person.
And that's all, Bulldogs. Have an amazing day and enjoy your weekend.